Database Manager. Oracle Database Manager stands for OEM. It is basically a major module that is used for the database administration purposes. We have done a lot of exercises, many commands, and many features utilities of the Oracle manually with the help of commands. Although Oracle is providing a separate administration module or separate services for the DBA, that many things can be managed without command or by using just drag and drop kind of things, or using the mouse options to manage many things. Like for example, we run the command shutdown immediate. Oracle is giving the option for icon. You just click that one and press refresh button or start button, that it will basically try to manage the things as a shutdown or even a startup or a mount or something. So graphically, Oracle is providing us a module in which, or services in which, we can use the objects by clicking buttons, selecting various kind of things, or similarly we can try to minimize to use the commands. But mostly commands are beneficial in the sense that our database is in the production server, and at that time we try to prefer to use the commands. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि हमारे पास options हैं, हमारे पास facility है Oracle की, जो कि हम उसका Oracle Enterprise Manager यूज़ करके चीज़ों को और डिफरेंट कमांड्स को हम बजाय कमांड्स के हम उसको डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस के साथ, विजुअल ऑब्जेक्ट्स के साथ हम उसको हैंडल कर सकते हैं. तो स्टार्टिंग Oracle Enterprise Manager, कंट्रोल लॉगिन कैसे होता है, इसका होम पेज क्या है, ग्रांट मैनेजमेंट की फॉर एग्जांपल ऑप्शंस कौन सी हैं, इस तरीके से टेबल स्पेस आप उसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं. उसके साइज़ को आप विजुअली जो है इंटर करके आप प्रेस बटन करके आप उसको मैनेज कर सकते हैं. कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट पे हम यू कैन रन Oracle _SID ORCL और EMCTL stop DB console और EMCTL stop DB console की कमांड रन की जाती है अगर इन केस आपका Oracle Enterprise Manager URL में एग्जीक्यूट ना करे. तो हमारे पास जो URL पोर्टल है, URL हमारे पास जो एड्रेस है उसको हम कहेंगे localhost:1158/em, या फिर लोकल होस्ट की जगह आप अपने कंप्यूटर का नाम दे सकते हैं, IP एड्रेस दे सकते हैं. दिस इज अ स्क्रीन that is basically login for your enterprise manager. So in this particular screen we use sys as a sys user, and then we will give the password over here, and then it become login. When we log in, this is a home page in which various things are managed. We have a data movement options available where we have import and export. Software and support things are there. Various schema options are available. Performance issues like tuning options are available. Similarly, we have other options like log out or log off options and various other things that however Oracle can see the things graphically. We have a very nice option here without running command. We can say shutdown or something, and we have further options that in which we can mount or no mount with the help of clicking the various kind of items. For example, we just take one module in Oracle Enterprise, although we can do many things as well. For example, how to manage the table spaces, how to take the import, export, and how to manage the various other things like checking the performance and tuning. So various other things we can do, but for time being, we just consider only the grant options, how to do these things. Let's suppose we search few things here and we get list of users. We can change the password of the user without any command. Similarly, we can put various kind of informations and we can set those things, and we can test at whether that particular case is basically okay or not okay. And before confirming it, we can do the testing and various other things. So it has its own benefits. But most of the cases that we do these things with the help of manual commands.